Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Check your OS version and whether it is 64 or 32-bit because some tools differ. Once done, make a quick backup, file copy or system image, so you can recover if something breaks. Next, close non-essential apps and open Task Manager, Windows, or Activity Monitor, Mac OS, to see running processes. This tells you what interferes with scans. Make sure you have admin rights, then install the diagnostic tools you'll need. Now perform deeper inspection. Run a full antivirus and anti-malware scan, and if infections persist, boot from offline rescue media to avoid active persistence. Next, audit installed programs and startup items. Use msconfig, auto-runs, or your package manager to find unwanted software. Then examine system and application logs. Event Viewer or Console often reveal errors, crashes, or driver faults. While scanning, update signatures and software. Finally, apply updates and either repair or reinstall any problematic applications, then reboot to confirm changes. After restart, verify performance metrics. Boot time, CPU and RAM usage, disk I/O, and network connections to ensure behavior improved. If problems persist, boot into safe mode to isolate services and drivers and create a restore point or backup before further changes. One key troubleshooting tip: when nothing helps, capture logs and screenshots, then perform a controlled rollback or fresh install to remove lingering corruption.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.